everyone, we are at Dollar Tree. We are going to be doing some shopping. Look at these are absolutely amazing. They look like something that's like really high end, and we're going to share with you guys a way that you can elevate them in even more. Real quick, a huge thank you to the sponsor of today's video, Crochet, for sending me some amazing budget-friendly fall fashions to share with you guys. Super fun little romper from Crochet. I love this exciting little leopard print, and I also love that it has a drawstring waist, so it's very roomy through here, and you can simply just pull it tight for whatever waist size you are. And here it is with some little fun tennis shoes. I also think this looks super adorable, really casual, especially if you're going shopping or having a mom's day out and you need to be comfy, but you also want to be super cute. The next item I have to share with you is this beautiful crocheted sweater. I absolutely love this sweater. I dressed it down with jeans and then dressed it up with this skirt that I also found on Crochet. Super comfy and cozy for fall. Okay, I have to share with you this beautiful knotted midi dress. It is a wrap dress, totally budget friendly at $24.99. I have been searching high and low for the perfect dress to wear to a friend of mine's fall wedding, and this is definitely a hit. I love that it's adjustable right here at the waist, fun and gorgeous and very budget friendly. Another dress that you guys need in your fall wardrobe is this beautiful little flowy mini dress. It has a super adorable print on it. I dressed it up with these beautiful fall boots, but you could easily throw on a pair of sneakers, some cute hoop earrings, and it could go either way, dressy or casual. It's under $30 and a must-have for your fall fashion. Okay, this is by far one of the prettiest blouses I have ever found. It is a scalloped neckline with these beautiful lace details on the arms. I crafted in it during today's video. All day long I had it on, and it was so flowy and perfect, and believe it or not, it's under $25. Check this out. Okay, I have to share this dress with you guys. It is my new go-to. Number one, I love it because it is short sleeves, and right now at this time of life I need something that's very lightweight. I love that it's buttoned up and it has this cute little tie at the waist belt, so if I am needing a little bit of extra room and movement, I can let it out. I also love that it is easy to pair with heels, or you guys could pair this with boots. You could throw a jean jacket on or even a dressier jacket. Perfect for really any occasion and any season. I saved the most romantic feminine dress for last. You all know how I love my lace outfits. This dress is a beautiful lace mini dress that ties in the back, and I also feel like you could use this for a swim cover. It has the most beautiful scalloped lace detail at the neckline and around the waist. I'm pairing it with a little bit of a dressier heel, but I think you guys could easily throw on some casual shoes as well. A huge thank you again to Crochet for sponsoring today's portion of this video. Now let's get into some super amazing happy crafting.
Welcome back.
I'm Olivia's Romantic Home.
I'm Jake Rogers with Bratton House Antiques.
In today's video, we are so excited to share with you guys some amazing DIY, Dollar Tree, and budget-friendly decor crafts. So this is another episode in our I Love Fall series.
This is a really cool topiary that comes just like this from Dollar Tree, and we're gonna bedazzle it, make it look amazing.
We're also gonna share with you guys how to make this amazing fall plunger tree, and Jake has a new hack that I have never shared with you guys. Look how gorgeous. I love the idea of these black and white pumpkins. Mark Roberts does beautiful designs, but at $74, let's see if we can dupe them for less.
What we're gonna do is take our topiary, simply just pull it apart. It's just glued together. And so if you pull the three pieces apart, it's gonna make it a lot easier for us to bejewel it. The one thing that we wanna do, for those of you that are not good at painting, we're gonna show you how to just simply take ribbon, and we are going to glue this onto it to create some stripes so that we give a little bit more dimension and to make it a little bit more like a higher end topiary. And what we're wanting to do is be able to stretch this ribbon so that it fits inside the pumpkin, the natural stripe of the pumpkin. Once again, here at the very bottom of the pumpkin, I'm going to add some glue, and then I'm going to pinch my ribbon so that it makes the pumpkin, it makes the ribbon fit inside the pumpkin stripe. Just to make sure you guys know how we achieved what we did, is we simply took some ribbon, we cut it to the length going around the pumpkin. We ruched it up right here where we started to glue it down. And as you can see here, it's just as a little bit of a pucker there. I glued both of the edges down first, and then I added some glue right in the center, pushed it down, found that to be the easiest. I also did it on the bottom because we are going to be gluing this to a base, and so I want this nice and flat as well. What we're gonna do now is we're going to take some of the diamond wrap, is what they call it there at Dollar Tree. We cut it into strips of 2. What we'll do is simply glue it to the top and pull it down the stripes of where we added the ribbon.
I absolutely love creating designs at Bratton House Antiques with Jake. It is such a blessing and honor. He is such an incredible designer, and it is great for me just to get out of the studio, have some fun, and be inspired by somebody else who is as creative as I am, but in a different way.
Jake has the idea to go ahead and bedazzle this cute little pumpkin, which we're going to end up putting back on top of this one, to go to do a strip of 2 on the Dollar Tree jewels, and then 1, so every other one, just to kind of update you on what we're doing.
For these bejeweled bedazzled pumpkins, we used 1 roll of bling wrap per topiary. So we're just continuing to attach the bling wrap with hot glue. It's a little bit tedious, but well worth it. Here's how they look completed. And then once you have all of your bling wrap attached, you're going to add a generous layer of glue to go ahead and reattach the pumpkins back together. I'm telling you guys, these turned out so high end.
Jake found this super cool sparkly ribbon. There's 5 foot on it. What we want to do now is create a base for our pumpkin to kind of elevate it. So we are going to bedazzle our candlestick. I think we're going to wrap it around the top here, and this ribbon is really cool. It has actually sticky on it. I'm going to go ahead and reinforce mine with a little bit of glue. Sometimes the sticky stuff from Dollar Tree doesn't stick as planned. So we're using this ribbon around the base of this candlestick, and we're just going to cut it to fit every part of the candlestick.
So we're adding this fun bling ribbon around the top part of our candle and the base. You guys could also use the bling wrap, or really pretty much any ribbon you choose. We also ran some of the diamond wrap down the side part of the candlestick and added a beautiful little bling jewel at the top. Jake had an amazing big giant craft basket of jewels, so we went to town. Also, if you guys need beautiful jewels, totallydazzled.com has amazing jewels. I'll leave a link in the description box below for you guys for that. Now we're wrapping our plate in just some more of this pretty sparkling ribbon, and we're using some E6000 glue to then attach everything together. So add some E6000 glue around the rim part top of your candlestick, and then go ahead and just glue it back together. By this point in time, my hands, which have a little bit of carpal tunnel, have a little bit of trouble getting everything on there completely straight, but I think they came out absolutely fun, gorgeous, and here is the final look. And I can't wait to share with you guys this amazing charcuterie board and floral arrangement as well. The dream team is back together. That means Caleb is back in the house with Jake and I, so you guys don't want to miss the rest of this.
Hey guys, dream team back together. We have Jake from Bratton House Antiques and Caleb, designer to the stars. We're going to set up a quick little fun table with charcuterie, the cute fall craft, and a nice flower bouquet. Let's get into it.
Hey guys, so guests are about to arrive, and we are so excited to be putting together this little fall bouquet for you to add in. So whenever you're in a quick pickle and you need to just really get some flowers going, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to get the flowers processed so that they're beautiful for your bouquet. All right, so you've got all of our flowers here, and we want a nice clean look for our bouquet. So we're just going to take and we're just going to strip our roses. So you're just taking off all of the leaves, and we're going to do that to each rose.
I have always wondered how to do a really nice high-end bouquet, especially when, you know, friends or family bring me roses. I've always wondered how to do this, so I'm super excited for this.
Okay guys, so you also want to see here, sometimes some of the rose petals can be just a little frayed. So you want to make sure that you take off those extra outer edge petals here so that your rose is nice and smooth and beautiful.
So here's what Caleb is talking about. That petal is just kind of not super pretty. So he's suggesting for us just to go ahead and pull those off. Thank you, Caleb. That's a great tip.
So today our roses are going to be our main floral, and then we're going to bring in these beautiful fall button mums. We've got the green, the yellow, and also some purple that we're going to be adding in here together. So on your filler flowers, you also just want to process them as well. So any of the lower leaves that are hanging here, just kind of clip those away, just so we have a nice clean stem here. Okay guys, so it's also important to really elevate that arrangement. You get all of those leaves stripped off of the roses, your filler florals, our button mums. You also want to bring in some greenery. It's just a little bit, not too much, for the bouquet that we're creating. The reason is that it just adds a little bit of flair and a little bit natural look to the bouquet to help fill in some of those open spaces. And when you're building a bouquet, you want to make sure that when you look at it, everything is completely full, nice and neat and rounded, rather than spots that look like they're missing something. So the greenery is going to be our help filler to really finish out our bouquet.
So Caleb actually designs really high-end weddings in Nashville. I like to refer to him as designer to the stars. His talent is unbelievable. Thank you, Caleb, for lending your talent and fresh thoughts to this video.
Okay guys, so we have our floral arrangement starting to come together. We've just got a little bit of greenery added in here, and you see all of our nice clean stems. We want to have our filler as true filler, and our roses kind of coming out to make that pop of color. So stay tuned and we'll keep going.
So Caleb has shared a really cool floral trick with me, and you take your rose and you just run it between your hands like this, and it's gonna open that bud out. Love that.
Okay guys, and so we're getting really close to having our fresh florals ready for the guest party. You see we've got yellow here, so we need to come in and add in just a little bit of purple to kind of break that up. Then we're just gonna flip it over, and so you really wanna do every other side here. So whatever you do on one side, you kind of wanna mimic on the other side to kind of give it that full look.
So here is the final look. This is a taller bouquet that we did. Kind of you can use as a centerpiece or a display piece. If you go to the grocery store, grab some grocery store roses and a bundle of mums or some other filler flowers, add in some greenery, and you have a gorgeous, fabulous arrangement. Totally on a budget. You can get these flowers pretty much anywhere. Now Caleb is going to take from that taller floral arrangement, he's going to show us something a little bit shorter and a little bit more designer. He's used a floral foam inside of an antique vase, and he's just going to add in greenery first and then pick in the roses. He's using some easy little floral snips to snip down the stems. Caleb truly does designer weddings and events for the stars in Nashville, so his talent is absolutely incredible. You can see him rolling the roses that makes them bloom out. He does incredibly expensive weddings as well, so to have him on my channel and my show here is just such a huge blessing and honor. I really love having guest designers on, and so just light up this comment section with love and gratitude. I am so thankful and blessed for them to be here. Now I'm going to play some music and let you guys watch the master at work here. So here is the final look on bouquet number 2. This is absolutely stunning, fabulous, and gorgeous, on a budget, and very quick and easy. Perfect backdrop to these bejeweled pumpkins that we created. The next thing that we're going to do is Jake is going to prepare a fabulous charcuterie board using a little Dollar Tree $5 pumpkin board. This is going to be incredibly over the top and amazing with goodies you can find at your local grocery store. Stay tuned. For this next DIY, we're going to create an amazing charcuterie board in the shape of a pumpkin designed by Jake. This turned out so delicious and absolutely fun and easy for your next fall party.
Whenever doing charcuterie, I always like, I like a nut and dried fruit piece, and so that's what we're going to do here. I started out with some dates, kind of made the stem. Then I'm going to take some apricots, and I'm going to just simply line the outside of my board with it.
So we found this wooden shaped blessed pumpkin board at a Dollar Tree. It was in the Dollar Tree Plus section. It was only $5, and I just knew it would be perfect to make a charcuterie board with. So Jake used pitted dates for the stem of the pumpkin, and they used dried apricots to make the outline of it, and made the lines within the pumpkins from dried pineapple. In between, he used one of his favorite nuts that comes actually from the Ozarks. It's Ozark Nut Roasters, and it's called the Salted Caramel Cashews. If you have a chance to grab these, you're going to absolutely love them. They are beyond delicious. They also picked up from Sam's Club some North Almond Pecan Crunches. And you guys, this charcuterie board is delicious and pretty healthy. I've never tried dried pineapple before, and it was actually really delicious, but look how adorable this is. It is in the shape of a pumpkin, and then it just added some cute little milk chocolate covered nuts at the base of this. So he also added in some fun little kind of pumpkin flavored cookies to the top here, and is displaying the entire thing on an antique tray from Bratton House Antiques. So this is just a fun way that you guys can use antiques combined with Dollar Tree items and make it a little bit more luxe for less. So comment down below and let me know what your favorite fall treat is. And if you guys are going to be creating something similar to this, these are great for parties, and they're also really great just to kind of have on hand. Lately, my daughter and I have just been, you know, really eating a lot of veggies and dried fruits and nuts, and it's just really healthy, and it's an easy go-to snack. So loving this and amazing for parties. Here is the final look for our amazing fall charcuterie board. So tasty and delicious, and these fun fall pumpkins and Caleb's Floral, absolutely fabulous.
You have a toffee cashew. You have a nut cluster, which is my favorite. We call it crack. You have some dates, some cookies, and of course your dried apricots and pineapple. Pineapple is my favorite.
Thank you so much. So in about 30 minutes, we created this beautiful floral arrangement. Thank you, Caleb, for the design. Jake and I crafted up these amazing fun fall pumpkins, and then Jake came up with this amazing idea for a twist on fall favorites, a pumpkin charcuterie board. I have never seen anything like that.
At the end of every long crafting day, everybody deserves a nice charcuterie board, some flowers, some good friends. Hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.
Thank you, guys.
We would love to invite you all to stop by Bratton House Antiques in Branson, Missouri. We have a special coupon code for you. And thank you, Jake. Now through September of 2023, take 10% off. Use code DREAMTEAM10 to receive your discount. We can't wait to see you guys.